Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year to you all. I hope your New Year's was blessed. I am so excited for this new year and what is to come. I am back again yet with another cleaning video. Yes, deep cleaning. It needs to be done over the holidays. I neglected so many things. For instance, my oven, which is right beside me. I'll show you how crazy that looks in a minute. I need to get laundry done. I just need to give my house a little attention. So I wanted you to come along with me so you can get some motivation. If there's anything that you neglected over the holidays, don't even worry about it. So now it is time to get to it and get it done. So let's get it. You guys, look at this. Dun dun dun. Yep, that's Thanksgiving, that's Christmas, that's in between, that's before the holidays. Yes, it's bad. So I am going to pull these racks out and start the self-clean. Shut this bad boy and start this self-clean. Self-clean. I think I will do a 4-hour self-clean. So I'm so thankful that my mother-in-law took the kids from me while I get this deep cleaning done. I really didn't want them to be inhaling the fumes from the oven, and it just made it so much easier for me to get a lot of the things done around the house that I needed to get done. One thing I find helpful is bringing a trash bag upstairs while I clean so that I don't have to make trips up and down, and I can just throw all the trash away from the upstairs that needs to be thrown away. So here is my boys' room. We still had a lot of leftover mess from Christmas, lots of toys on the floor that they got for Christmas. And so I'm just doing a lot of picking up, removing trash. Any of the toys I'm picking up, putting them back in the playroom, in the toy box. So this is what most of the boys' room consists of, is me picking up and putting things where they need to be. For scrubbing my racks, I'm just using Barkeeper's Friend and a little bit of soap and water and a scrubber and just some good old-fashioned elbow grease. Now that the oven is cooled off, I am just taking a damp rag and wiping down the oven per the manufacturer's instructions. For this oven, they say not to use any abrasive chemicals on the inside cavity of the oven, so I'm just using a damp rag and some water. Well, if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you got the motivation that you needed. And to all the new subscribers, thank you so much for joining me. I'm so glad to have you. I will see you all in the next video.